Have you ever thought about starting your own garden at home? Today we'll explore the concept of raised bed gardening, a method that offers improved soil conditions, better drainage, and easier plant maintenance. In this video, you will learn how to build your very own raised bed garden. First things first, gather all the necessary materials. Essential items include quality lumber, sturdy screws, and nutrient-rich soil. Remember, the longevity of your raised bed depends on the quality of materials used. Once you have all your materials ready, it's time to start building. Now, you are ready to build your raised bed. The first step is cutting the lumber. Measure twice, cut once, and you'll have pieces that match your desired size. Next, it's time to create the box shape. Attach the sides together using screws or nails, ensuring each corner is square for a sturdy structure. When your box is assembled, it's time to place it in your chosen location. Make sure it's level for best results. Now, the fun part, filling it with soil. Pour in a mix of topsoil and compost until it's filled to the brim. Take a moment to admire your handiwork, and voila! You've just built your very own raised bed. Building your raised bed is just the beginning. Now comes the vital part, maintaining it. Regular watering is essential, but remember, moderation is key. Don't drown your plants. Adding compost is a great way to enrich the soil, giving your plants the nutrients they need to thrive. And let's not forget about pest control. Regularly check for any unwelcome visitors that might harm your plants. With proper care and maintenance, your raised bed garden can provide you with fresh produce for years to come. So there you have it, a simple guide to building a raised bed garden. We've covered gathering materials, constructing the bed, and essential maintenance tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.